Alright guys, today we're going to be installing a tow hitch on the back of a 2013 Hyundai Tucson. For this, all we're going to need is our torque wrench. I'm using a little impact driver and a 16mm socket and 4 bolts. Some brake clean so we can clean out the holes that are on there. So, let's get started. So under here, we've got a weld nut from the factory here and here. And on this side, here and here. So all we have to do is put our hitch up into those spots and put some bolts in. So I'm going to spray just a little bit of brake clean in the holes. Use our nylon brush that we bought just to make sure there's really no crap in those holes, because who knows. Gonna get a couple bolts in, just hand tight. Alright, now that we know it's kind of in place, let's put our push pins back in, because of course one is right here where we can't get to it if we bolt the hitch all the way up into place. So the reason why I took the pins out, just these little push clips, is because it did say to drop the exhaust, and she just drove here, and I don't want to drop the exhaust. So, that wasn't too bad. Get a little flex in the bumper. Put our bolts in. So these guys have a washer on it that have some teeth in it. Have a little spring in it, so you put the teeth to the metal. It's called a conical tooth washer. There. We've got all the bolts up in place. Eric's going to drive them down. Then torque them down to 42 foot-pounds. Oh, I need a little extension for that. Okay. There you go. Go. So under here, we got our two weld bolts. Our two bolts put into the weld bolts, fully done up and torqued to spec. And same with on this side. Let's take a look at what it looks like outside. And there you go. And that's how you install a hitch on the back of a 2013 Hyundai Tucson. If you like what you guys saw here, give us a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button. We'll see you later.